Hello dear students, welcome back. I'm Sharda Lande. In our previous lecture, you study about some question of our 8th lesson, a great leader. Now we are going to continue this lesson. In our previous lecture, you study the 4 paragraph of this lesson. Now let's continue this lesson. People in England People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way. Even when visiting the King of England, he would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by the style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loin cloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of statue followers. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but also parts of the world. Students, in our previous lecture, I told you in our India we know so many great leaders. Like I told you some name: Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad, Mahatma Phule, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So many great leaders we know about them. And I told you, Gandhiji was a very simple man. He believed in peace. I told you, other leaders who believe to fight, who believe in to fight for our rights. That's why other leaders fought for our freedom, for our India's independence. And Gandhiji also participated in the war of India's independence, but they didn't use any weapons like guns, rifles or bombs. And he won the war of India's independence. That's why people lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji and father of the nation. Other leaders, they are believed if we did not fight, so we can't get our rights. That's why we have to fight, and that's why they fight for their rights. And now you see that we all are independent. We all are independent, and we all are now free. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Gandhiji has a strong determination, because if he want to do anything, no matter how it is difficult, and he did it. Like in his life, one day he decided he would have an early morning prayer, because sometime he not attend the prayer, and on that day when he decided, on that day he never missed the prayer. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance. Gandhiji has a 3 main principle in his life: truth, simplicity and non-violence. He followed all he followed these three principles. That is not hurting others. That is not hurting others. And Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loin cloth and a warm dhoti above the knees, and sometimes he used a shawl. Students, it's not mean that Gandhiji could not afford a fancy or fashionable clothes. Of course, he could afford, but this simple loin cloth was a deliberate choice. He chose this dress for his, because in his life one time happened a thing. He saw in India. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha, because one time in India, in Odisha, Gandhiji was gone to a lecture tour. Because lecture tour, it means this time, students, you know that if in our school or some programs we held or we organized in our school, so that's why we are we are invited some special guest, and he gave us a lecture. So like that, Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. There he saw some interesting thing. We are not saying that it is interesting. It is like just a stream, or we said it, a wizard thing. There men and women gathered a large number of listen to him. In some place, when Gandhiji was on a lecture tour, there so many men and so many women are coming to there to listen to him. But in Odisha, women were not seen at these public meetings. In Odisha, he didn't see any woman on these public meetings, and he asked the reason. And Gandhiji was asking the reasons why did not any woman coming for the lecture. So the peoples told the condition of their place. So all the people told Gandhiji their conditions, because in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had no decent thing to wear. And the people told him their condition, their problem, because their women folk had no decent thing to wear. It means their women had no decent thing. It means they didn't have enough clothes to wear. They kept away from the public function, and that's why the women kept away from the public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear, and that's why Gandhiji was deeply pained. It means he was hurted. He was hurt. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes, and that's why Gandhiji decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes, be it cold or hot. He never changed this simple dress, and that's why Gandhiji decided to wearing a simple dress, and he never changed his simple dress. Once he had gone to England, attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to participants of the conference at his place. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. One time, Gandhiji had gone to England to attend a very important conference. Conference means, students, a social meeting, or we said it, a very important meeting. Like you see that now some peoples are working in a company, like when people are working in any company, the company organizes so many conferences, business meetings, we said it, business meetings. So like that, a very important conference, and Gandhiji had gone to England to attend the very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to participants, and there King George of England, he held a reception party for the participants who were participated in this conference. At his place, he gave a reception party for the participants. People received by the king have a dress up in a certain way, and that's why in their reception party had a dress code means, students, like you are students, I am a teacher, so you have a uniform for school uniform, like when you are coming to school, so that time you wear your school uniform. Also, I am a teacher, and my colleagues, we all teachers are wearing our school uniform. Like that, in their receptions party, they set a dress code for the participants. At that time, England ruled over India. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. And their students, people wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. And their peoples wanted that Gandhiji have to change his dress to see the king. But Gandhiji was rejected this condition. He said that I am a very simple man, and I would not want to follow your rules. Follow the rules. That's why he said that if you want, I'm come to attend your reception party. So I'm come to in my own way, in my own conditions. I don't follow your rules, and I don't follow your conditions. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in a usual way. He told that I wear my own clothes. I don't follow your dress code. Even the visiting the King of England, he would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approve of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. And that's why King of England, he asked Gandhiji why did not follow the rules, and why didn't follow the condition, why did not use the dress code. So that time Gandhiji told him, in my country, as the poor people, they didn't have enough clothes to wear, and that's why I choose this dress. And always, all seasons, I use this dress code. In cold, in hot, I don't know what do you think about me, but this is my style, and I am happy for it. So finally the king had to welcome at this reception this great man, dressed in a simple loin cloth and shawl. And after that, the king was agree, and he had to welcome at his reception party to the great man, who is a Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi dressed in a simple loin cloth and a shawl. So students, now today is enough Okay, now we will meet in our next lecture, and we will going to continue our lesson in our next lecture. Two paragraphs are remain, and these two paragraphs I will explain you in our next lecture. Thank you. We will meet in our next lecture.